Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have permissions. Now start. Open your chosen recorder app, give microphone and storage permission, then select the call audio source labeled voice call or phone. Make a quick 10-15 second test call so you can confirm audio routing. If you rely on the system recorder, enable call recording in phone app settings first. Once done, set speaker on if you want clearer single device capture, and keep Bluetooth off to avoid routing issues later. You're on the call, tap record and watch for the red indicator so you know it's capturing. If the other party sounds faint, switch to speaker to use the phone's mic, or plug a wired mic for better fidelity. Make short notes in the app name or label field while the call is live so you can find it later. Make sure levels aren't clipping. If background noise rises, pause or mute briefly and resume once it's stable. Stop and save the file. Immediately play it back to confirm both sides are audible and rename it with date or caller for easy lookup. Once verified, export to email or cloud storage if you need to share or archive. If you find no audio, don't panic. Check microphone and storage permissions, confirm the app's audio source is set to voice call, and ensure Bluetooth is disabled. Then run another quick test call to validate settings before any important recording.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.